Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss the follow-up for describe a long-term goal that you would like to achieve. So the first question is, should parents set goal for children? So in the sample answer I've written yes. For me, it is imperative for parents to play a pivotal role in fostering goal-setting behaviors in their children. Imperative, very important. Pivotal, again, important. Goal setting behaviors, meaning that they should set a goal. So, like for example, parents set goal for the child to become an engineer or a doctor. Also, parents can facilitate the development of essential skills such as perseverance, resilience, and self motivation. Perseverance, to persevere, keep doing the thing even if you're facing any difficulties. So, to keep focus on the goal. Resilience again means to stay strong, and self motivation, which are fundamental for achieving success in both academic and personal domains areas. Question number 2: when do young children start to set goals for themselves? Well, the emergence of goal setting behavior varies a lot. One has to remember the extent to which children actively engage in goal setting behaviors vary depending upon individual needs in cognitive development and socio-cultural influences. So, cognitive development means their IQ, how much they can absorb knowledge, or what is their emotional quotient, how can they remember things basically. So, this is all about cognitive development. And for children, it varies a lot. One child might set a goal to become a doctor very early in his life. The other one would not know anything about goals or what goals are. And they eventually learn through their experiences. And once they become an adult or they become a teenager, they try to set a goal. Okay. Question number 3: what kind of goals are not realistic? Not realistic, they cannot be achieved. While setting ambitious and challenging goals can be motivating, there is a very thin line between realistic and unrealistic goals. Unrealistic goals often lack specificity, feasibility, and alignment. Specificity means they're not specific. So one day you're saying that you want to become a doctor, the other day you're saying you want to become an engineer, and the next day you're saying you want to become an astronaut. There is no specificity about it, thereby increasing the likelihood of frustration, disappointment, and eventual abandonment. Abandonment, you let go of the goal. You don't want to achieve that goal anymore. You have abandoned it, you have left it, and eventual abandonment of the goal pursuit. Question number 4: why do people set goals? The motivation behind setting goals is quite simple. It drives individuals to strive for personal growth, achievement, and fulfillment. By setting clear and meaningful goals, individuals can enhance their sense of purpose, direction, and self efficacy. Efficacy means efficient, while also promoting a proactive approach to problem solving and decision making. The fifth and the last one: what would you feel if you couldn't achieve your goals? In the event of unmet goals, unmet, you have not reached the target, I would be disappointed. However, in my life, I have learned that setbacks are also valuable, they're important, valuable learning experiences and opportunities for self reflection and adaptation. By cultivating resilience against strength and trying to find ways that can navigate adversity, I can more effectively continue to pursue my aspiration. Okay, so this was the follow up for describe a goal you would like to achieve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button